Welcome. If you want to use split screen on your Motorola One Vision, for the first you have to open this application that you are going to use. So in my case I'm going for the Google Chrome, then I will go for the YouTube, Gmail, and maybe for the calendar. And right now you have to swipe a little bit like that from the bottom of the screen, and right now click on the icon of application and click on the split screen right here. And here is our first application, the Gmail, and also we can open the YouTube. And this is how it works. You can also adjust the size of the split screen with this switcher, and if you want to turn it off, just swipe like that. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.